Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sultan Mubarak, and if it is your very first time to see this video, this is Homex Battery Solutions. You can kindly subscribe and enable the notification bell so that you get all my videos when I upload. Okay guys, so today in this video guys, I want to show you something different from what we have been studying, and I want to show you how we are going to recondition some of these ebike batteries. I want to show you how you can repair it, maybe to remove these lead acid cells and put lithium ion batteries. And these days I want to show you, tell you that these lion batteries are the best and will power the future, because they have more capacity, less weight, and they can not okay, they have many functions compared to other batteries like lead acid batteries.